Namaste everyone. Thank you for being here and practicing together with me. Today we are working with lower back pain to really heal our lower back. So there are always two reasons for any pain in your life. One is a physical reason and one is an emotional reason. The physical reason, because we are not using our back muscles. Do you know our back muscles need to be 5 times stronger than our front muscles? And this whole area, like a cylinder, is your core. So your front core and your back core and your side core. Alright, a lot of people's front core is much stronger than their back core. So today we are going to work with asanas for your lower back, which are going to help soothe, heal and support you. And the emotional reason for lower back pain is support. If you're feeling at this point in your life that you are not feeling supported, whether it's emotionally or financially, your lower back is going to get into a trigger, is going to start hurting. So both have to work together. You need to start feeling supported because your spine is your support structure. So today we are our own support, okay? And we are going to work on the physical and the emotional aspects of lower back pain. So it's going to be a beautiful 15-minute session where it's easy to do at any time, before you go to work, after you come back from work, or any time during the day. Any asana that you enjoy here, or you come back and do the 15-minute practice. So easy to put that anywhere in your day, right? So let's come in a seated position. Let's bring ourselves into that length, being tall. A little smile on your face, it'll all be fine. And just close your eyes and just ground down, being present on our mat, being present in ourselves. Just hearing the sound of your breath. And gently blink your eyes open and keeping your hands on the knees, let's inhale, arch the back, shoulders back, squeeze the shoulder blades and really arch the back. And as you exhale, round, pull that navel in and really round the back, chin to chest. Inhale, arch, exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. In and out. In and out. Couple more times, creating articulation in your spinal column. Being mindful of our back body. And release. Lovely. Okay, from here I want you to bring your left hand onto the floor and inhale, right side of the body. Yes. Feel that stretch. Push the chest open. Straighten the top elbow. And if you want to go deeper, you can bring your elbow down onto the ground as well. And don't lift the hip up. Try to bring the buttocks, the hip down. Hold and breathe. Inhale, come back. Rainbow the arms over to the other side. You can bring the elbow down. Push the chest open, stretch the top elbow. And again, ground down with the opposite hip. So it's not lifting, it's down. And come back. How good did that feel? You can always do this one more time and just pause the video and do it one more time. Okay? The next one is right hand onto the left knee, left hand to the floor and twist. Twist the spine. Breathe. Detox the tension and the stress that you're feeling. And always know that you're the only one who can support you. Bring the left hand to the right knee, right fingertips down. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. And back to center. Lovely. Now we are going to come onto our knees, bring our hands facing our buttocks, okay? Now from here, lift the chest, squeeze the shoulder blades and just lift up. Squeeze the buttocks, push up, head back. Breathe. And down. Let's do this a couple more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling good? You're really bringing your back into your conscious mind, because your back is your subconscious mind. So you're enlivening the area that's not been working, and release. Lovely. And now we're going to lie down. Okay? Lie down on your back. Just like so. Keep the knees bent. And from here, just lift your buttocks up. Squeeze the buttocks. Interlace the fingers and roll the arms in. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Really feel that the buttocks are lifted and down. Inhale up, press the feet firmly into the ground, lift up and down. This will also help your neck to bring the neck into alignment. Great for posture correction. Also really good because it activates your thyroid and parathyroid glands. And release, release. Okay, now we are going to take the right leg, interlace the fingers, pull the right knee into your chest. Okay, some of us might want the left leg bent, or you can straighten it out. Okay, whatever you feel like that's working for you. Pavan Muktasana. This will really help. It's rounding your back. It's taking away the pain. You can always rotate your ankles here a few times clockwise and a few times anti-clockwise. and change. Bring the left thigh to your stomach. Keep the right knee bent or straight. Keep the leg flexed and straight. That's it. And you can always rotate the ankle. Very nice. Keep pushing that thigh into your belly. It'll also help massage the internal organs. And you can rotate the ankle anti-clockwise. And release. Bend both knees and bring them both to the chest, giving yourself a cuddle, maybe moving left and right. Another one we can do is holding the leg or the sides of the feet and moving the knees downward. Anand Balasana, happy baby, right? So being a happy baby, everything in your life will fall into place. And always remember that it's not that we are not feeling supported, but moreover, that when we are not feeling supported, it's like God is telling us that you need to support yourself. And you being here, you doing this, you are helping yourself and supporting yourself. Moving the knees down towards the floor. Yes. And release. Straighten the legs. Keep them lifted up. Just a couple of deep breaths here, engaging your core. And release. Bring your hands to your belly. We are going to do 5 rounds of belly breathing. So let's inhale. Make a balloon with your belly. And as you exhale, draw the belly down. Make a balloon with your belly. Exhale, belly down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And the last one, just bringing your hands to the side. Keep your feet bent. Inhale. And as you exhale, take the knees over to the right. Yes, feel that twist to the left. Back to center and over to the other side. Twist. And to the right one more time. Really twist your whole spine, head to the left. And to the right, to the left. And back to center. Rolling over. Coming up to sitting. How is the body feeling? How is your back feeling? Such a short practice, but it is really miraculous. We will be doing a lot of different routines for lower back pain. This one, start following, do this at any point during the day. And another thing, when you sleep, place maybe 2 pillows under your knees when you sleep. Okay, this will help. If your back is arching a lot and taking in a lot of pressure, it will release the pressure. Okay, so when you lie down with 2 pillows or a bolster under your knees. That will really, really help. And anytime, do any asana, any of the asanas, okay, and it will give you proper release in your body. Okay, I love you all. Namaste and have a beautiful day ahead.